You're driving home late at night. The road is quiet. Everything seems fine. Until your car violently jolts. You hit a pothole you never saw coming. The pothole has damaged your car. You now face the same dilemma as thousands of other Americans. Even worse, you have to go to work tomorrow. Moments like this happen millions of times a year. Across the US, potholes and road defects cause over $3 billion in repair costs, numerous injuries, and contribute to 11% of all car accidents. These aren't small bumps in the road. They are silent, unpredictable safety hazards. Traditional road maintenance works backwards. Cities wait for someone to report a pothole, then they verify it, then they fix it. This process is slow, expensive, and leaves many neighborhoods, especially underserved ones, ignored for months. By the time a defect is officially recognized, it might have already caused dozens of near misses, crashes, or costly damage. This is a public safety issue, an equity issue, and a data issue, all at once. But what if the roads could watch themselves? What if we could detect dangers before they cause harm? What if every driver, cyclist, and community member automatically became part of the solution? That's why I built Deep Drive Detect, a scalable AI-powered road hazard detection ecosystem. It combines computer vision, sensor analytics, crowdsourcing into one system designed to protect everyone on the road. The system has two intelligence pipelines. One, AI street image detection. Using Google Street View, my AI pipeline runs 3 specialized YOLO models, each designed for a different part of the detection process. First, manhole detection AI, using YOLO V8X. This model is built to detect manholes. It identifies manholes with a 97% MAP50 accuracy. It prevents false positives by making sure the system knows when a circular shape is not a pothole. Secondly, there's the pothole segmentation AI, using YOLO V11N SEG. This pixel-level segmentation AI is designed to find small to medium potholes. This model achieves 98% accuracy, outlining potholes with high precision. It captures shape, size, and exact boundaries, crucial for severity scoring. Finally, there's the large pothole detection AI, using YOLO 11M. This model detects larger potholes using object detection. It's optimized for larger bounding boxes and is especially effective for holes that would undeniably send a car flying. YOLO Street View API feeds images directly into this pipeline. Each image is analyzed by all 3 models, and results are combined and stored in Firebase. This gives the system global coverage, even in areas without active users. Google Street Imagery was the best imagery source for all 3 AIs. This is because manholes rarely change, so Google Street Imagery always catches them. And also, major roads are always captured by Google Street Imagery in a very short amount of time. And minor roads don't get repaired or changed that often, so minor roads are also accurate. The second part of the AI detection system is the crowdsourced mobile detection. Drivers place their phones in a holder or secure position. The app then uses accelerometer patterns to identify potholes and other road defects. The sudden spikes and drops can distinguish bumps from smooth road. Here's an example of the app at work.
Turbulence ahead. Bump reported.
Accelerometers are built into users' phones and is easily accessible via the app. Users can also report issues by tapping a button or speaking. Every report gets logged with the GPS coordinates into a cloud-hosted Firebase database. Together, these form a real-time, always-on hazard detection network. This system does more than making roads smoother. It reduces preventable accidents, saves families thousands in car repairs, and gives city engineers the data they've never had before: real-time hazard maps, severity rankings, and heat maps of community-reported danger zones. By turning everyday drivers into civic sensors, we transform road safety from reactive to proactive, and finally give cities the tools to fix the right roads at the right times. When you open the app, a clean, colorful welcome screen appears. Sign in or continue as a guest. It's instant access to community-driven road safety. Behind the scenes, Firebase authenticates the users and links them to their account. Explore screen. The Explore screen displays a dynamic real-time hazard map. Pins are color-coded by severity, freshness, and confidence. The user can search for any destination, and the app automatically calculates the top 3 smoothest routes. This is the first navigation system that considers road quality, not just speed. In the Directions tab, you get a turn-by-turn navigation enhanced with hazard alerts. If there's a pothole ahead, the app warns you before you reach it. A dedicated report button lets users submit issues manually or entirely hands-free through voice reporting. Meanwhile, accelerometer detection runs quietly in the background while the user is driving. If it detects suspicious force patterns, it automatically logs the event with location, time, and data. There's also a reward system. To encourage community involvement, the app includes a full gamification layer. Each user has a contribution score. You can earn points for verified reports, AI-confirmed detection, and mileage traveled. Badges, levels, and leaderboards turn civic actions into a fun challenge. People aren't just helping their city, they're competing to make it safer. Settings and help. In settings, users can control alert frequencies, toggle background scanning, and manage privacy options. Under help, an AI system answers questions about repairs, reports, and system accuracy. Everything is optimized for accessibility, efficiency, and simplicity. Every bump is detected, every hazard is mapped, every report submitted. Together, these small movements create a massive ripple effect. Smart data for cities, safer roads for families, and a transportation system that finally listens to people who use it every day. This isn't just a pothole detector. It's a blueprint for safer communities. Detect, report, protect. Let's build safer roads together.